Hi Libra, let's see what are the messages that come out for you. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Guys, you might hear occasional barking. That's my dog going crazy. I don't know what she's heard. She's just a 7-month-old puppy. So, yeah. Anyway, Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Oopsie. This did not come out in reverse. Card at the bottom of the deck is 10 of Pentacles. I'll keep it here. Libra, I feel that in the past, you guys are coming out of a situation where in the past you were involved with somebody, but due to some reason, they were involved in some third party, or probably you got involved in some third party unwillingly, of course. Could be any situation, but it was unfair. Uh, it was a painful situation, and one of you, both of you, felt deceived. Could be somebody you were working with, someone from your office, somebody from your work, not work, education, wherever you go and study, basically, your institution. I see a lot of communication coming in from this person. Whatever happened in the past, I feel you guys have decided to move on from it. And you guys see that for each other, you are the 10 of Cups, the 9 of Cups energy, um, a wish fulfillment, and also somebody who brings in balance in your life. Like both of you bring balance into each other's lives. You guys are waiting for a new beginning. Either you will reach out or this person will reach out to you. They want to start afresh because they see you as a wish fulfillment. They also see you as somebody who is their happy place. Whatever happened in the past, whatever misery that you both went through, it's over now. And probably one of you felt that the other one was just taking and not giving in anything. It was a big stress for you, Libra. Either you or your person, because this is not a gender specific reading and energies are fluid. I feel that either of you was really confused in the past. You guys did not know what to concentrate on, what to leave, how to go about stuff without losing your head. A lot of turmoil happened in the past. Even though you guys separated for a while, I don't think either of you moved on, but collectively you moved on from the situation that broke you apart. Whatever feelings that you guys went through, whatever mental, emotional turmoils that you guys went through are now leaving you, and you are walking on. You are walking away from those negative feelings. Guys, this could be a person who is from your past, but in case for some of you, if this is not the case, then I think this is somebody trying to um, reach out to you, somebody who you have known of, but you haven't really interacted with, but they want to offer you a new beginning, a new start. They want to offer you a relationship. They could also be offering you a new job for some of you, But because we have the lovers and the three of swords, I feel this is somebody from your past coming back who wants to reach out to you, who wants to let go of all the confusion and concentrate on you and this connection, guys. Libra, I'd suggest take things slowly. If you really love this person, I think you both need to set some ground rules because whatever happened in the past did leave you both shattered. And if it was a third party situation, then it was obviously really very unfair. So why get into it if this person is capable of putting you through so much pain? But in case you guys have moved on from that and you guys have collectively decided to, give this relationship another chance, then I feel you should go ahead. The angels want you to believe in yourself, see yourself doing well, and you will. You've got the Nine of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles, which is beautiful because both of these cards are wish fulfillment cards. They're related to material possessions. They're related to what do you say? Financial securities, inheritance in the near future. Guys, if in case you had a question with a timeline in your mind, it is the angels want to tell you that it's going to happen in the near future. Probably this communication, if it hasn't already come your way, it's going to come in the near future and things are going to be resolved. Whatever happened, whatever happened in the past is leaving your side, it's leaving your life, and you guys are moving on to better times, more smoother uh, like situations, and true love, a love that fulfills your um, soul rather than just give you temporary solutions for your body. Have faith in your dreams, believe in yourself, and in the near future. Libra, if in case you guys are planning to move countries, move cities or places, or even workspaces, have faith that you're going to get it in the near future. You'll be able to move from wherever you are stuck right now, and you're going to feel better. So don't give up on your dreams. A new start is coming, could be in the relationship front or in a work situation where you felt ostracized. Probably some of you felt ostracized at your workspace. You felt that you did all the work, but somebody else took the credit, and you've decided to move on, and you will find a good place to work at. So just hold on, don't lose faith. You've got meditate and contemplate. Sometimes sitting in silence gives you the loudest answers. Sometimes we get so bogged down by our fears, by our tensions, that we somehow shut this inner voice that is trying to tell us to do certain things. So when you sit in meditation, you get the answers that you never thought you had. So, Libra, this is a sign for you to, even if it is for 10 minutes, just sit for meditation every day. You don't have to become a sage. You just need 10 minutes just to yourself and your thoughts and your the connection with your higher self. So just do that, Libra, and I think you've got this. It was a great reading, Libra. Thank you for watching. Bye.